Hey guys, how's it going? We're here at CEDIA and I'm here with
Marcus Buckler.
Marcus, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We're gonna do some, we're gonna be talking about some cool things here at Klipsch. You guys announced something brand new. What is that? And tell me more about it.
So we launched the Klipsch Flexus Core 300 soundbar. So a new iteration of our very popular soundbar system we launched later last year. So this is the first soundbar ever to feature direct room correction. We have a limited bandwidth license, already paid for, downloaded in the soundbar. It's a 13 driver unit that is expandable. You can do wireless subs up to 2. And we have new wireless surrounds that have Dolby Atmos upward firing drivers built in.
That's pretty exciting. And all this is wireless, correct?
It is all wireless, so we have a prepared dongle from the factory. One dongle can do it all. So every time you add an accessory, you don't have to plug anything new in. One accessory plugged in. All you have to do is push a button for an additional accessory, and they're prepared from the factory. So very easy setup.
That's awesome. And tell me a little bit more about Dirac, because there's a couple people out there that probably don't know much about them. What makes them so special, and why are you excited to partner with them?
So they're an industry leader in room correction, Swedish company. The easiest way to explain it is they focus more on the timing domain versus the frequency domain. And what that means for the customer is you retain your favorite characteristics of the speaker or the amplifier.
Okay. And speaking of amplification, Onkyo is also part of this new deal, right?
Yeah, so this is the first product, probably the first of many, this product line where Onkyo built and designed all of the internals. So when you look inside these soundbars, it looks like you're looking into an AVR. So they're not just performing very well, it also enhances the functionality of the products.
Yeah, and we take a look back at the past with Klipsch, with the soundbars, like the cinemas, those all sounded great, but in terms of actual build quality, I think you guys are pretty excited with the 300 and the 200.
Yeah, when you're a passive speaker company and you build a powered product, especially initially, you want it to sound as loud as possible, but you might not think about the long-term reliability, how to add stuff like heat sinks, how does it stay cool so it can last for a very long time.
Yeah, and also too, I saw you guys have some new RSM, and is that the PSM too? Some new stuff there?
So we have a new residential surface mount and professional surface mount. The professional means we can put a transformer inside for a 70-volt system. We made some pretty unique upgrades for as far as sonic performance, but my favorite are these small features, things that dealers have been telling us for a while. For example, the grills for an outdoor speaker now have set screws. So you set it and forget it, and the grill can never fall off no matter the heat or condition. We also have set screws on the connection. So when you angle that outdoor speaker, the set screw goes in and you'll never have to worry about it changing angle.
That's awesome. And yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much, I'm excited for the new Flexus 300, but is there anything else that you wanted to share?
Yeah, so in the CEDIA channel, so if you're into control, these also have, with the Core 300, Wi-Fi and network capabilities. So you can add control system to them as well. It is a very big soundbar. Again, I said it has 13 drivers. You can do dual subs, but you can also add a traditional sub. So this soundbar system has a subwoofer output. So if you wanted to add more bass, even though you already have 2, you could do a reference Premier 16-inch 800-watt sub in the back of the room.
Yeah, 1600 sub. That's a favorite of mine, but awesome. So tons of cool stuff going on here at Klipsch. Thank you for taking the time.
Thank you for coming in.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested, make sure to email me at youtube@waltz so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.